Welcome to our video on protecting yourself from scams and phishing in this filing season. Let's dive in and ensure your sensitive information stays safe. Understanding the dangers of scams and phishing is crucial. Cybercriminals use these methods to steal your personal information. Here are some tips to protect yourself in this filing season. Spot suspicious text messages. This is an example of the text message. SARS does not send HTML or HTML attachments and will never send you a link on your text message to update your bank account details. Always verify the sender's email address. Cybercriminals use fake addresses that look similar to legitimate ones. Double-check before responding. Avoid clicking on links in unsolicited emails. These links can lead to phishing sites designed to steal your information. Always navigate to the SARS e-filing website directly. Be cautious of unsolicited phone calls. Scammers may impersonate SARS officials. Verify their identity or contact SARS directly using the official channels. Block and report all suspicious messages or emails by emailing phishing@sars.gov.za or contact the SARS anti-corruption hotline on 0800 00 2870. Stay informed and aware. Stay safe and protect your money during this filing season. SARS, at your service.